നമസ്കാരം. അഗാരിക്കസ് മലയാളത്തിലെ പുതിയൊരു അധ്യായത്തിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. എക്സ്റേ ടെക്നീഷ്യനുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ഡിസ്കഷനിലെ 5th പാർട്ടാണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, benign tumor is the one which. Answer options: option A, differentiated and capsulated. Option B, shows metastasis. Option C, differentiated and non-capsulated. Option D, undifferentiated and non-capsulated. Correct answer option A, differentiated and capsulated. Second question, the nucleus of cancerous cells becomes. Answer options: option A, unchanged. Option B, degenerated. Option C, abnormally large. Option D, hypertrophied. Correct answer option C, abnormally large. Third question, what is the first response of arterioles to injury? Answer options: option A, vasoconstriction. Option B, vasodilation. Option C, redness. Option D, edema. Correct answer option A, vasoconstriction. Fourth question, stacking of erythrocytes are known as what? Answer options: option A, margination. Option B, pavimenting. Option C, forming Rolexes. Option D, Rolex formation. Correct answer option D, Rolex formation. Fifth question, which of these groups is the most likely to have anemia? Answer options: option A, men. Option B, women. Option C, teenagers. Option D, older adults. Correct answer option B, women. Sixth question, how does anemia affect the body? Answer options: option A, the blood doesn't deliver enough oxygen to the body. Option B, blood becomes thin. Option C, tissues retain fluids. Option D, none of these. Correct answer option A, the blood doesn't deliver enough oxygen to the body. Seventh question, a lack of which of these will result in large RBCs and a condition called megaloblastic anemia? Answer options: option A, oxygen. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin B12 and folic acid. Option D, carbon dioxide. Correct answer option C, vitamin B12 and folic acid. Eighth question, how does iron deficiency anemia affect teenagers? Answer options: option A, more trouble with the written expression. Option B, can't concentrate. Option C, aggressive hyperactivity. Option D, A and B. Correct answer option D, A and B. Ninth question, iron is absorbed in the. Answer option: option A, stomach. Option B, duodenum. Option C, jejunum. Option D, ileum. Correct answer option D, jejunum. 10th question, which of the following is not a cause of microcytic anemia? Answer option: option A, thalassemia. Option B, anemia of chronic disease. Option C, iron deficiency anemia. Option C, pancytopenia. Correct answer option D, pancytopenia. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.